S115 Mini Drone captures stunning aerials with 8K dual lens and intelligent flight. The S115 Mini Drone is a compact and powerful quadcopter designed for capturing high-quality aerial photos and videos. Featuring an 8K dual-lens camera system, infrared obstacle avoidance, and optical flow positioning, the S115 delivers an impressive flight experience for both beginners and enthusiasts. Key features: 8K HD dual-lens camera system captures stunningly clear aerial footage with the dual-lens setup, offering horizontal, vertical, and overhead shooting perspectives. Infrared four-sided obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with infrared sensors on all four sides, minimizing the risk of collisions. Optical flow positioning. Achieve stable and precise flight with optical flow positioning, allowing for smooth hovering and accurate maneuvers. Brushless motor. Experience powerful and efficient flight performance with the durable and long-lasting brushless motor. Foldable and portable design. The drone's compact and foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for taking on your adventures. Long flight time. Enjoy approximately 15 minutes of flight time on a single charge, providing ample time to capture your desired footage. Intelligent flight modes. One-key takeoff and landing. Simplify flight operations with automated takeoff and landing. Headless mode simplifies flight control for beginners. Trajectory flight. Plan and execute custom flight paths by drawing on your smartphone screen. Gravity sensor. Control the drone with intuitive gravity sensing. Gesture photography. A video. Capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures. 50x zoom. Get closer to your subject without physically moving the drone. Automatic photography. Set the drone to automatically capture photos. 6-axis gyroscope. Ensures stable flight and easy control. Body lights. Enhance visibility during flight. Emergency stop. Quickly halt the drone's flight in case of an emergency. Music integration. Add music to your videos through the app. ATM video transmission. See what the drone sees with ATM video transmission. Specifications. Model S115. Camera resolution 8K HD dual lens. Motor brushless. Battery 3.7V 2000 mAh lithium battery. Flight time approximately 15 minutes. Charging time 60 minutes. Control distance 150 meters. Video transmission distance 80 meters. Folded size 15 by 8 by 9 centimeters. Unfolded size 30 by 24 by 9 centimeters. Drone weight with battery 161 grams. Package contents: S115 drone, remote control transmitter, body battery, USB charging cable, screwdriver, instruction manual, built-in HD camera, Wi-Fi manual. Benefits: capture high-quality aerial photos and videos with 8K dual lenses. Fly safely with infrared obstacle avoidance. Enjoy stable and precise flight with optical flow positioning. Utilize intelligent flight modes for creative shots. Easily transport and store the drone with its foldable design. Overall, the S115 Mini Drone is a feature-rich and portable quadcopter that offers an impressive aerial photography and videography experience. Its 8K dual-lens camera system, intelligent flight modes, and obstacle avoidance make it a great choice for capturing stunning aerials.